Hey, hello. So we're just going to be continuing where we left off by doing problem 3, I believe. That's the question they're on, and the 2015 exam. Um, so let's see. Yes. Oh, I didn't even finish.
I was at the end, I just never calculated the answer. I kind of remember what it was, the calculation. It was just 10. We were thinking, um, we had how many moles of barium this was?
was, and we decided that that since all of these answer choices only have 1 mole of barium, we know that it will, the amount of moles of this is equal to the amount of moles of this, because it's a 1-to-1 ratio of barium, essentially. Like, if you looked at just the whole reaction, you would see that it's very easily just 1-to-1, because like, this doesn't matter. This is just precipitating out, I mean, not precipitating, this is just floating around. This part of the equation does not matter. It's just going to separate
From the barium. The only reason it matters in the context of this question is just because they said you had 10 grams of it, and these have different weights than each other. So that's the question. That's the only part of the question. But this doesn't matter. This part doesn't matter. We know we have barium here, and we know we end with barium. It's a 1-to-1 mixture. So if we had 0. I gotta check. Let's see. Yeah, we had 0.048 moles of barium. So we know, okay, we had 0.048 moles of the starting material. This is, again, a 1-to-1 mixture. I mean, a 1-to-1 ratio of reactants to products. Um, so it's 0.048 moles of the starting material, and it has to have a weight where a molar mass where 0.048 moles equals 10 grams. This times the molar mass will have to equal 10 grams, and so I'm just going to divide 10 by that to just get the answer. You could just plug in random, like those 4 answer choices here, but you could also just divide 10 by 0.048, and then you just get this number just algebraically. I get 208.3333, which is about this. Molar mass can vary quite a bit, like a little bit. So that's how you know that the answer is A. But the molar masses can vary quite a bit, just like a little bit, like 0.1 or such. So if you're 0.1 off or 0.2 off, like, don't worry about it, essentially. I'm gonna pause the recording for a second and see if I can just check to make sure that's the answer.